Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. My light's on the wonk. There we go. Wasn't much out, but it was annoying my OCD. So thanks for stopping by today. And no tutorial, as you can see, it's another unboxing video. So let's crack on, shall we? Now, when I did my pre-order, two of the colours weren't available. I've got them now. The one that was missing, the ink that was missing was Berry Burst. I've got that. I did have that previously, but it had gone like off, mouldy or something. I know some of the reds kind of do that, so I wasn't too worried. And I've got a new one, so there we go. The cardstock I was missing, not surprisingly because it was old, is Lost Lagoon. Love this colour. This colour was around when I first joined in 2016. I think it was an in colour then. So yeah, I've missed it for quite a lot of years. I might actually, if I look in my old cardstock box, I think I might have some 12 by 12 or even some DSP with this colour. Anyway, love it. I took the opportunity as well to look through my cardstock. I'd already taken out the retired colours, so I'm kind of going through now, refreshing what was missing or what was low. And this is what the result was. Pretty peacock, always love that. And look how it coordinates with Lost Lagoon. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with those two. The Berry Burst, of course, I've got some scraps, but obviously no full sheets. Same with Blueberry Bushel. Again, I've got scraps, lots of scraps, well, mainly half sheets, because I cut them in half to post them if I ever got round to selling them, which I didn't. So yeah, I had 5 colours returning and I'd actually still got ink and cardstock. What's not to like about that, eh? Lemon Lime Twist, always been a favourite, this one, and it was going to go well with Lemon Lolly, I think. Misty Moonlight, again, another nice blue, and Fresh Freesia, which was in colour and is now in the core colours, just topping up the cardstock there. So that was all the card, but I got some goodies as well, as always. This is the Baker's Twine Essentials pack. Let me get that a bit closer. There you go. So it looks like we have black, very vanilla, white. Is that crumb cake and is that pebble dough? Does it tell me the colours? No, I might have to look at the catalogue. Let's have a look, shall we? Because I'm intrigued now. Go for the index. That's not the index. Ribbon and twin trim. One starts on 120. So there's the colour. SP. Embellishments, ribbon and trim. Right. Baker's Twine Essentials pack. There we go. You see that? So it's crumb cake and white, black, grey granite, and very vanilla. So mystery solved. Beautiful. I got more ribbon, well, more twine. I got the 2023-25 in colour jute trim. I like this. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. It's going to look good in journals. This is beautiful, isn't it? It's really, really nice. So I've got that. I've got the final. Is this the final? Oh, this is the final item. I got the small blending brushes. I'd already got the large one, so I've kind of got the whole set now. Love, love, love. So there we go. Not a long video, I'm afraid, but I've got something planned for the next couple of videos, so watch this space, as it were. Thanks so much for watching, and whatever you're doing today, I hope you're having a lovely time, and I will speak soon. Bye now.